What does it mean to teach a machine how to think? A challenge, a dream. One man's lifelong mission. Meet Alan Perlis, a visionary who gave programming its soul and taught generations to think beyond the code. A pioneer, a mentor, a legend. This is the story of Alan Perlis, the first ever recipient of the Turing Award, the Nobel Prize of Computing, honored for his groundbreaking work in programming language design and compiler construction, and why his legacy still shapes the digital world we live in today. Born in 1922 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, to hard-working immigrant parents, Alan grew up in a home that valued education and curiosity. Alan, the bright kid on the block, was fascinated not just by numbers, but by the logic behind them. In 1943, Alan graduated with a chemistry degree from Carnegie Institute of Technology, but World War II would call him for service in the U.S. Army Signal Corps, where his mind met machines for the first time. Post-war, Alan shifted paths, earning a PhD in mathematics at MIT in 1950. From there, Alan Perlis stepped into history. In the 1950s, he became one of the founding fathers of programming languages. While others focused on computation, Perlis focused on how we think about computation. His contributions to ALGOL, one of the first structured high-level languages, that laid the foundation for everything from Pascal to Python. He viewed programming languages as tools for thought, not just computation, and often criticized languages, like FORTRAN that lacked expressive power or elegant structure. Perlis didn't just program, he designed the logic of thinking. Perlis believed programming wasn't just about instructing machines, it was about expanding human thought. In 1966, he was awarded the very first Turing Award. His citation for advancing programming languages and compiler design. At Yale as the first chair of computer science, his lectures inspired generations of programmers, innovators, and researchers. He became known for his epigrams on programming: clever, philosophical, sometimes savage, always wise. Simplicity does not precede complexity, but follows it. Fools ignore complexity. Pragmatists suffer it. Some can avoid it. Geniuses remove it. These weren't just quotes. They were a mindset, a call to think deeply, to build smartly, to code beautifully. Alan Perlis passed away in 1990, but his influence is in every algorithm, every language, every digital frontier. He didn't just write code, he defined what it means to be a computer scientist. So the next time AI solves a problem for you, or your phone responds to your voice, remember it all started with people who taught machines how to think. Alan Perlis, the mind behind the machine. Think big, think beyond, think like Perlis.
Thanks for being with Awards. Subscribe to know more about international award winners and unsung heroes behind peace, science, and humanity.